Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna teach you guys how to be stylish in Club Penguin. Anyways, if you're new around here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Anyways, let's get started. The first trick is to work in the mines. You won't go anywhere if you don't dig. To get the hard hat, you will need to go to the hard hats or buy one at the gift shop. Second off is to buy, after mining, you're gonna go buy the clothes at the gift shop in the catalog. This will be a really long process since you've been digging for so long, and you probably have enough for 4,000 coins or less, but that's really it. Number 3, if you find hidden items. Oh, I'm sorry, the rain is trying to be a fool. So number 3, find hidden items. These hidden items can be exclusive items of the month, which is all the way in the back of the catalog, and many other things that are hiding by just randomly moving your cursor around your screen. Number 4, patience. You never know what's gonna be in the catalog next few months, so if you're patient, you might get the best clothes in the next few months. I was a new player and I had the worst clothing on Club Penguin. I swear to you. The clothes were trash. I didn't have any sunglasses being Gucci with the Gucci and all that stuff. I had to wait for it. Maybe a month or two, maybe less, but who knows? By the way, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Anyways, yeah, new video coming soon.